Hi everyone! Welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn on dark mode on your iPhone and use it across your apps. Dark mode can make your screen more comfortable to look at, especially in low light environments. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. If you can't find it on your home screen, swipe down and use Spotlight Search to find Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. At the top, you'll see the Appearance section, where you can choose between light and dark. Tap Dark to turn on dark mode across your iPhone. You can also choose Automatic if you want your iPhone to switch between light and dark mode automatically. When Automatic is enabled, you can set it to follow the default schedule or choose a custom schedule. Now, let's go back and check how this works with your apps. For example, some apps like Instagram will automatically follow your iPhone's dark mode setting. However, not every app works this way. Some apps have their own appearance settings that can override your iPhone's system setting. So keep in mind that turning on dark mode in your iPhone settings doesn't always change the appearance of every app. If an app has its own appearance settings, you may need to enable dark mode directly inside that app. And that's it. Now you know how to turn on dark mode on your iPhone and how to adjust it for individual apps.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.